good, YouTube? It's Project Garage 36. Today is something a little different. I'm gonna be helping out the guy who owns a store down the street. He wants to wash his car, so I'm gonna go pick the car up, detail it, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do. Alright guys, this is the car we picking up. I gotta go get the key, but just wanted to show y'all the outside. It's really dirty. You can't really tell, but it's got a lot of dirt on it. Let's go get the keys.
Inside you find any paper or money or anything?
Okay.
Just keep it in the...
I'll put it in a bag. Plastic bag.
You do a video, mine?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a video too. Wanna sit? You wanna be in it?
Hello.
Alright, I'll be back. Oh yeah, for sure. Okay. Alright, let me knock this one out and I'll show you what's up. I'll be back. Alright. Got the keys. Let's go. Which button is it? Oh shit, that's a trunk button. Okay. Alright. Easy. Alright. And we're gonna crank this thing up. Okay, it didn't really want to crank up. That was odd. It kind of hesitated just a tiny bit. I'm gonna let this thing warm up a tad bit. It's really cold outside today. But as you guys can see, there's dirt everywhere. Everything looks filthy, you name it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean all this up. Y'all see all the dirt and the grime. See the carpets. Let's get back to my house and we'll start working on this car. So we'll see y'all there at the house. Honda gang, stand up. My Honda gang, stand up. Now we're pulling back up at the house. I'm gonna give this thing a nice wash and I'm gonna show you guys the results while I'm doing it and after. So y'all stay tuned for what's about to happen. Okay, I got the car back to my house. Now we're just gonna inspect the car all the way around. See like a little ding there, see another ding over there. Some scrapes here and there. Okay, not too bad. All right, looks like this tire might need a little air. All right. Okay. Looking good. Let's inspect the backside. This is before I touch anything, by the way. See the ground and the cup holders on the floor. Seats look okay. All right. We're gonna start by pulling everything that you see in the car out of the car into a safe place, and I'll see you guys once I do that.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
2JZ engine, no.
Okay, now that everything is vacuumed, we're gonna go ahead and start power washing. Got the mats laid out on the ground right here, so that way I can spray these two and then vacuum those. And then I'll go ahead and spray the car with water to get all the dirt off. And then we'll wash the soap off. And the soap has wax built into it, so it will make the car look nice and shiny. But there y'all go before the wash. And I will see you guys when the car is done, pretty much. So, see you. Okay, guys. We are done with the car. You see how it turned out? Really shiny. It was really dirty, so how it came out was awesome. You can see that. Everything looks good. Show you guys the inside. Start with the door panel. There's the dash. Gonna do the windows and then return it. See the floor looking good? Oh yeah, there we go. See the back seats.